Yeah, there's definitely challenges. You're asking a school to potentially make a dramatic shift, and a lot of those educators are veteran educators that have been working one way for a long time. They're very passionate about what they do, and you might be asking them to shift gears on that, and that can be difficult. And it's not that their heart isn't in the right place, it's just that they've seen so many successes throughout the years that asking them to switch is uncharted territory, and that can be very scary. I would also add that keeping the community and the parents connected to what's going on, that can be difficult at times, because when we meet as a redesign team, the sky's the limit. We throw lots of ideas out, but a lot of those just ended up crumpled up in the trash can. So making sure that everybody has an adequate amount of knowledge so that they can still have that sense of trust about where we're going and the choices that we're making and why we're making those choices.